Hey guys, welcome back to day 2. It's actually Monday night. I'm making the video so you'll get this in the morning. We're gonna do some more multiplication, this time with 3 numbers instead of just 2. And then we're gonna start though with some more extended facts. So yesterday when we did the extended facts, which was this morning for you guys, we did a base fact and then multiple extended facts afterwards. This time we're going to go a little faster. We're not going to have a base fact and then extended facts. We're going to start with just one that's already extended, and you'll have to look for the base fact first. So let's do that. Make sure you have a pen and paper, marker, something to solve your problems with. And if I go too fast, hit pause, take your time. You have all the time in the world. So let's do 30 times 5. Now, because we didn't do the base fact first, you have to look for it. 3 times 5, and then count your zeros. So your answer is 150. And Dusty, watch real close and make sure I don't make any errors today, okay? And if I do, let me know. How about 20 times 8? 3 count. 2 times 8 is 16 plus your extra 0, okay? What about 60 times 4? 3 count. 6 times 4 and 1 0. The next couple are going to get a little harder. 70 times 9. 3 count. 7 times 9, 63. And 1 0. So I'm going to add some extra zeros in here. Be looking for those. 3 count. 9, because 1 times 9 is 9. And 2 zeros, so that's 900. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see my notes. 5 times 800. 3 count. 5 times 8, 2 zeros. So that would be 4,000. 400 times 80. On both sides. 4 times 8. And then 3 zeros. This is 32,000. Let's do a couple more and then we'll get to the word problems. $300 times 70. 3 times 7. 3 zeros is 21,000. Eight times 9, 2 zeros, 7,200. And our last one, 6 times 900. 6 times 9, 54, with 2 zeros, 5,400. Very good. Okay, so today's word problems, still multiplication. You can still do whichever format works best for you. So if you're using lattice, that's great. If you're using partial products, that's great. And if you are using traditional and that RTI time has helped you learn that, that's fabulous. And your parents probably really appreciate that. I will do a mixture hopefully today. I forgot yesterday, so we'll see. First question, Mary bought 2 packages of Lysol wipes. Each package contained 4 containers. Each container has 95 wipes. So how many Lysol wipes did Mary have? Sorry, being loud. Okay, so pause the video, see if you can figure out what's important, work the problem out, and then once you have an answer, push play. Okay. So we have 2 packages. I tried to trick you there and made it word, but it's 2. 2 packages of Lysol wipes, and each has 4 containers in it. So if I have 2 packages, there's my first package, and here is my second package, okay? And then each of the containers has 95 wipes. My question is, how many wipes do I have? And today, we're still just doing some multiplication. So first we want to figure out how many containers I have. And I did draw a picture up here so I can look, and it would be 4 and 4, right? So that's 8. Or if you're doing the multiplication, you would take 4 times 2, which is 8. That's a fact that we should all know. Then you're going to take your 95 and multiply it by 8, okay? And so I'm going to do some partial products here, which is as close as I get to traditional, so that's all that I will be doing. I'm sorry, parents, I know you like traditional. So I have 8 times 5, which is 40, and 8 times 9, but that's not actually a 9, it's really a 9D. So I have a 0 placeholder, and then 8 times 9 is 72. I'm going to add these together. 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 760, but is that my answer? No, it is not, because I have to put my tag on there, wipes. While the math would be correct, technically the answer would be wrong if you didn't have wipes. Okay, here's our second problem. Mason loves blueberries. Very true sentence. His mom went to Sam's and bought 3 packages of blueberries. Inside each package is 6 small containers of blueberries. Each container holds 57 blueberries. So how many blueberries does Mason get? Pause the video, see if you can figure out the answer, and then push play when you're ready. Hopefully you have an answer now. So when we look at this problem, we had to find all 3 of our numbers that are important. So after his mom went to Sam's, she bought 3 packages of blueberries. Each package has 6 smaller containers inside. And each container holds 57 blueberries. Not that anybody actually counted them. We're guessing. So we're going to take these 3 numbers and multiply them together. So our problem here is 3 times 6 times 57 gives me B, blueberries. How many blueberries Mason gets to eat. So we're going to do this part first. 3 times 6 is a fact that we should know because we have our 3 song. It'd be great if you would sing that for your parents right now, because if you were with me, I would make you sing the song. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we're going to take 18 and multiply it by 57. So I'm going to put my 57 over here and my 18. And again, I'm going to do partial products because that's as close as I get to traditional. So we have 8 times 7. Ooh, that's a tricky one. That's not one that we actually have memorized. So we're going to come over to the side and say, I know what 8 times 5 is. And then for 8 times 6, I can just add 8. So it would be 48. So then 8 times 7, I start at 48 and I count up 8 more. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So my 56 here. We're going to take our 8 and do 8 times 5, but that's not a 5 because it's in the tens place, it's 50. So I have a place value holder of 0, and 8 times 5 is 40. Then we're going to use our 1, but it's not really 1 because it's in the tens place, and do 10 times 7, which is 70. And then 10 times 50, because the 10's in the ones place and the 5's is in the ones place. And this would be 10 times 1 is, 5 times 1 is 5. And you have your 2 extra zeros with those extended facts, making it 500. So you have 6, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 5 plus 4 plus 1 is another 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he gets to eat 1,026 what? Elephants? Giraffes? Blueberries. And that's my answer. Last problem for today. Sue just picked up 7 cases of soda. Each case holds 24 cans. If one can is 8 ounces, how many ounces of soda did Sue buy? Pause the video, work out the problem. All right, hopefully you have a right answer. So let's look at it and see what our answer comes out to. So Sue picked up 7 cases of soda. Each case holds 24 cans. And then one can is 8 ounces. So the question is, how many ounces of soda did she buy? We're still multiplying. So our problem is 7 times 24 times 8. Okay, so we're going to work this out, working from left to right. 24 times 7. Okay, so I'm going to put 24 on top. I said I was going to do a mix, but all I've done today is partial products. You can watch yesterday's and get the lattice, I guess. So you have 7 times 4. I don't know my 4s. So I'm going to come over to the side and go, okay, well, 7 times 3 I know because of our sum. It's 21. So then 7 times 4, I would just add 7 more. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay. So that's the first part. Then I'm going to do 7 times 2. But it's not 2. It's 20. 7 times 2 I know. I have my placeholder right there. And I add these together. 4, 5, 6, and 1. So if I had 24 cans, right, it was cans, and 7 cases, what number is 168? Is it 168 cases or is it 168 cans? Hopefully you picked cans, because it's 168 cans. So we're going to take 168, and here I'll pull in some lattice. And we're going to multiply that by the 8 ounces. So our answer here is going to be ounces. Okay. Oh gosh, I don't know my 8s. So I'm going to come over to the side. I'm going to come down here. So I know 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6 is 8 more, 48. 8 times 7, hopefully I can look back earlier in my paper and figure out that it's 56. Then 8 times 8, I'm going to go 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 6 times 8 is right here, 48. And 1 times 8 is 8. Add it up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 1. So she has 1,344 strawberries. Just kidding. Ounces. 1,344 ounces of soda. That's way more than she needs to be drinking, correct? Okay, so on IXL, I am going to put on multiply 3 or more numbers, word problems. So there's 2 on there right now. I'm going to put on a 3rd one. Tomorrow there's not going to be a math video because I have to clean this house. The boys have trashed it. So I'll see you guys on Thursday. Bye.